Hi y'all, today we're gonna do more binary tree problems, and this problem we gotta check if two binary trees are the same. So I'm gonna do a iterative approach using a stack, and we gotta add the P and Q to our stack first. Then while our stack is not empty, we gotta get uh, the node from P and Q by popping the value from our stack. So node 1 and node 2 is gonna equal stack.pop like that. Then we gotta check if both of them are null, then we can just continue. So if not node 1 and not node 2, continue like that. Then we gotta check if one of them is null, and if one of them is null, we return false. And or if one of them, if their values aren't the same, then we return false. So if not node 1 or not node 2, or node 1 that val does not equal node 2 dot val, then we return false. Then after that, we just do the same for the left and the right child of our nodes. So we append, so stack dot append node 1 dot left and node 2 dot left, node 1 dot right and node 2 dot right, like that. Then after we get out, we just return true because then that means they have the same value.